So y'all, I just did a video where I talked about the major issues that I was having with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 when it came to the battery life, the lagging going from application to application, pages to pages, as well as the BPM heart rate being off. And then there was also an issue with the always on display being broken with third-party watch faces. Well, y'all, that was an update that Samsung just pushed out. So let's go ahead and find out if Samsung literally fixed all of those issues that we talked about in that video and we've been having issues with. So let's go ahead and talk about it. What up, squad? It's your boy CKid here. Now, before we actually dive into talking about each one of these issues and if it's been fixed and if it's safe for you guys to go ahead and do the upgrade, squad, y'all already know the rules by now, man. Comment down below how many likes is on this video at the time when you guys are watching it. Because if you guys are new here, and shout out to the OG game, man, I see y'all out there as well as the newcomers. But what we do over here, y'all, we go ahead and run these video views up. Let's get it. All right, so I told y'all, man, since that recent update came out, I've been experiencing 4 main issues that I have to talk to you guys about in this video. Now, we're gonna go ahead and start with number 4, and we're gonna work our way down to that number 1 spot. Now, number 4, and the first thing that I have to talk to you guys about, and I know I wasn't the only one experiencing this issue because a lot of you guys said that you were in the comments of my previous video, and that is my battery life, y'all. Battery life during that update was trash. Well, I'm happy to report, y'all, the battery life on the Galaxy Watch 4 is back. It is fixed with this recent update. Now, they seem to have fixed it. Now, I was literally out and about all day today using it, connecting it to my Galaxy S22 Ultra. Went to the barbershop, got something to eat, was on a podcast today. Basically, your boy been out here grinding today, y'all. Been on the move, and the battery, y'all, has been on point. And even right now, I'm filming this video. It's like 12:20 in the morning right now, and I still got about, let's see, I got about 65% battery life that you can see right there, and you can see what time it is as well. And yeah, man, I'm liking it. And even right now, I'm using the Facer app because a lot of you guys have said that the Facer app has been draining your battery life. So to me, using the Facer app with this all day, and just for like the past couple of days since this update been out, I haven't had any issues with the battery life, man. And yeah, it seems that they fixed it. Finally. Now, before we actually move on, man, I need to put y'all up on game with the best way to go ahead and protect your Galaxy Watch 4 from looking beat up like this to looking clean like this. And that is picking up a screen protector, y'all, for your Galaxy Watch 4 as well as your Watch 4 Classic. Now, I personally get mine from the SamsungNest.com, and you guys can pick up a 4-pack of top-level screen protectors for only like 19 bucks. And I think they running a sale right now, and it's only going on for like a couple more days, I believe, before they go ahead and raise the price because the demand is so high. So I advise y'all to go ahead, head over there, scoop up yours before they either run out or if they go ahead and raise the price back up. Y'all know there's a crazy shortage out here on everything. So don't say your boy didn't warn you and you didn't go ahead and end up picking up a screen protector and now you're walking out here with the boo-boo face because you don't crack your watch face. I have a link for y'all down in the description section below. Go get it, go get it, go get it. Now, moving on to the number 3 issue I was having on this update after that big update that they did, and that was the amount of lag I was experiencing when navigating through the watch in itself, or just opening up applications, or even just going from application to application. So y'all, I'm happy to report this has also been fixed. Well, I'll let you guys see that for yourself. Now, right here, y'all, I'm able to easily go from application to application, navigate through the watch, the outside of the edge, use it to scroll down the menus and all of that without a problem. Now, so far, y'all, I've been using this update now for about 2 days now, and everything in this area seems to be fixed for me. But I want to know from the Watch 4 community, man, down in the comment section below, are y'all still experiencing any lags with yours? Let me know, man. I'm curious. All right, y'all, so the number 2 issue that I was having, which was a big one for a lot of people, including myself, and that was having always on display turned on using a third-party watch face, but it wasn't working for some odd reason. Now, Facer is the one that I'm using right now, and it's still one of my favorite Galaxy Watch 4 apps for watch faces. And even on this one that I got right here, the one that y'all can see right now, definitely got it from the Facer app. I have the name of it down in the description section below. But you can see right here, y'all, even when I have it turned down right here, you can easily see that the always on display is on and that the Facer app is actually in a resting state as well, which is super fire. And finally, y'all, we on to that number 1 issue that I was having. I felt like this was a major problem for those semi-health conscious people out here, and that was with the heart rate. So when I would actually check the BPM on my Galaxy Watch 4, I was always getting like 120 BPMs, which I know wasn't right in my resting state. And when I would actually manually test it myself, literally putting my finger up to my neck, I was getting around like 70 or 80 beats per minute. So before this new update, y'all, it was completely off. But due to videos like this, as well as me bringing the attention to you guys, as well as Samsung as well, they end up fixing it. And I ran a test on it, man. And you can see right here that my BPM in its normal state for me is about right. So for me, y'all, I feel like this is an update you can go ahead and take because it has definitely fixed a lot of the issues that I was having with this Galaxy Watch 4 that was just super annoying. And mainly the two that I actually wanted fixed was the lagging issue as well as the battery dying crazy fast. So shout out to Samsung, man, for addressing these issues so fast and getting it out there for the people and giving us that support that we needed. And I finally got mine paired up to the S22 Ultra, and y'all, I'm not gonna front, man, I'm loving this combo right here, y'all. I got that forest green on that forest green, and it just looks so fire together. Like, I don't know what other combo you guys can put together that can give you this level of drip on your wrist as well as in your hands, y'all. It's just so fire. Oh yeah, Google Assistant is coming as well. I want you guys to check out this video right here where I talk about the 17 plus new features that Samsung has given us and when Google Assistant will be coming. I see y'all over there, squad.